How to remove your phone number from OnlyFans. So to delete the phone number from your OnlyFans account, first of all come over to onlyfans.com and log into your OnlyFans account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, on your OnlyFans account's homepage, at the left section, click either on More or on your profile picture at the top left. And then go to Settings. And here under Settings, select on Account. And under Account Info at the bottom you will find Phone Number option. So select on Phone Number. And here you will see the added phone number to your OnlyFans account which will be verified, and in order to remove this phone number, you have this delete option. So click on delete. And once you remove the phone number from OnlyFans, the two-step authentication also will be turned off. So here click on yes delete. And that's it, my phone number has been removed, and you can see in the phone number option, there is no added phone number. So that's pretty much it is, that's how you can remove your phone number from OnlyFans. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to install OnlyFans on your phone, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.